Hello, and we're back. We are looking into how to graph an equation in standard form. Say, I don't know, x minus 2y equals negative 10. Right? There's lots of different ways to do it, but the way that I'm going to show you today is to solve for y and then graph in slope-intercept form. Okay? So the idea is to get y by itself. We want to get this variable by itself, right? So there's two terms on the left side of the equal sign. Okay, so there's an x term and a negative 2y term. We want to get rid of this x term because we want to get y by itself. So the opposite of x, of course, is actually, you know what? Go ahead and try this without me doing it. Pause the video, give it a shot, see if you can solve for y, and then see if you can graph it, and then unpause and see how you did. So I hope that you gave it a shot. We are going to subtract x from both sides. Right? X minus x is 0. I'm going to write negative 2y because it's still there on the left side of the equal sign. Negative 10 minus x can't be combined because one has an x and one does not. I'm going to put the x term first because I want it in y equals mx plus b format eventually. So now I want to get rid of this times negative 2. What's the opposite of times negative 2? It's divide by negative 2. So I'm going to divide each term by negative 2, and we have y equals. Now, negative over a negative is a positive. And then the invisible number in front of the x is a 1, right? There's an invisible 1 there. So I can just think of it as 1 over 2. So that's a 1 over 2 x, okay? And then minus 10 over negative 2. That's a negative over negative, so it's a positive, and 10 over 2 is 5, okay? So I have y equals 1/2 x plus 5. If I'm thinking about y equals mx plus b format, right, the m, or slope, in this case, is 1 over 2. And what does that mean? Remember, that means up 1, right 2. And then the b is the y-intercept, and that's where it hits the y-axis. And that is, of course, 5. So if we were to graph that, I'm going to move this here, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it hits the y-axis there. And then from that y-intercept, we go up 1, right 2. So it's up 1, right 2. Boom. Up 1, right 2. Up 1, right 2. It's the same as down 1, left 2. Down 1, left 2. So it looks like that. Straight line. Put arrows on either side, connect the dots, and we're good. I hope that that helped you understand how to graph a linear equation that started out in linear form. In standard form, my mistake. We will see you next time. Take care.